fucking asshole. Okay.
Warren!
Okay.
Stop it! You have to call 911. Do not get out of the car.
Motherfucker. He deliberately hit me.
Stop! 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 Stop!
CNA,
Stop.
age 62.
Listen to all of it. He was apologetic that their deals weren't going to work out, but he did not condemn what the man said. And that's important because they lost money.
Make a right turn on Llewellyn Road.
Yeah. China has taken it to the only time concerned about the players because they canceled all media. They've made it to where it's punishable for fans to go see the NBA players. So I would like the NBA players to get their behinds home because Americans over in the communist countries are upset with us. It's not a good idea. But the fact that we're not listening to the whole.
I'm like, oh, you motherfucker, you underestimate.
Oh shit!
Motherfucker!
This is not the first time.
Get him!
Is he running?
Yeah, get him! Get him now!
And then we're in Atlanta. So, like, if you want to go anywhere other than Georgia State, but the only confirmed appointment we have is Thursday. So you'd really have to go from Georgia State to UTK and then up and around back to Athens, which sucks. Oh, hang on. Oh my fucking god. Call 911.
Okay.
Jesus fucking Christ.
I think I thought mine's gonna die.
What the fuck are you fucking flipping me off for, you dude? Fucking asshole. Just fucking go! You suck cock! Dashcam, right here. Look at this, right here on your fucking ass.
AT&T Internet Backup.
All right, it's go time.
Choose fast, highly reliable AT&T Internet for Business and get a $100 AT&T Visa Reward Card. Go to att.com/businessinternet or call 855-433-5700. 855-433-5700 or visit an AT&T store today. The AT&T Visa Reward Card is issued by the Bancorp Bank pursuant to a license from Visa USA Inc. and can be used everywhere Visa debit cards are accepted in the United States, U.S. Virgin Islands, and Puerto Rico. No cash access. The Bancorp Bank member FDIC.
It's time for the one and only Frettle Show.
Fucking hell! Jesus! Be careful, alright?
You fucking ass! Fucking hell, man.
Can't hear you, buddy. Good job. So what's
Here I am, boy. Here I am, boy. What do you want to do?
Nothing.
Yeah,
I got no
I
problem. I just don't like people. Hold on, hold on.
You're a fucking idiot, man.
I just don't like people tailgating. Just back off a little bit. That's all I ask.
Hey, you shouldn't ride like a maniac, man.
You shouldn't tailgate people. Your truck weighs what? 6,000 pounds and mine weighs 400. If I had to brake and you hit me, I would literally die. Instant. No questions asked. All right? Just back off a little bit. That's all I ask. Okay? Tell that to him.
Slow the fuck down.
Don't tell me what to do, bro.